shadows. Well, if it isn't Yasuo, still running away from your pursuers, eh?
The wind will guide my blade and lead me to the true murderer. Tell me, Zed, is it you who murdered my master?
What difference does that make? You are no different from me now, a traitor who murders your master. Why don't you just join me? Make peace with yourself now.
Peace with yourself? You will be. Some mistakes you can't make twice. I will not die dishonored.
The unseen blade is the devious. Embrace the shadows or die in the darkness.
Never! It's over, Zed.
Oh yeah. My friend, I am the blade and the darkness.
The shadow might be gone. Who am I? What am I? Has the path that I've taken all my life been wrong? Many questions are often left unanswered about life. In my journey, I hope to discover the truth one day, to walk once again a righteous path. I am Yasuo, the Unforgiven.